Whenever you are getting such kind of question, what you have to do, you have to use either the concept of rationalization method or multiply this value with its conjugate. So here 1 minus sin x is given. So I will multiply it with 1 plus sin x, and you will do the same thing in numerator. So here you will write it as 1 plus sin x, and 1 minus sin x and 1 plus sin x can be written as 1 minus of sine square x. That can be written as 1 plus sin x upon cos square x. If you will separate the value, you will write it as 1 by cos square x plus sin x by cos square x. And 1 by cos square x can be written as sec square x. Sin x by cos square x can be written as sec x into tan of x. So whole value of integration of 1 upon 1 minus sin x can be written as sec square x dx plus integration of sec x tan x dx. What is the integration of sec square x? You already know that is equal to tan x, and integration of sec x tan x can be written as sec x plus c. So this is the answer that you will get.